Hello, Poti.
Hey.
How you doing?
Up.
You want to tell me something?
Yep.
What you got there?
Sup.
Chap. You knocked your head?
Yeah.
Just say ouch.
Us.
Poti, can you say goose?
And juice.
Honey and goose?
And juice.
Poti, how many pecks?
2 fish.
2 pecks. I love you.
2.
2 pecks.
Yep.
Poti, how much? More?
Yep.
Where's your nose?
Yes.
What's that called?
Me. It's mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy. Me.
Mm-hmm.
Me.
Mm-hmm.